Hello everyone, welcome to BotTales Lab. Today I am going to teach you what is LED, why we need it, and how LED works. So let's get started. So basically LED stands for light emitting diode. Think of it as a tiny magic bulb which glows when electricity is passed through it. That is, whenever we will pass an electric current or any supply through that LED bulb, it will start glowing. Like is same as our house electrical bulb, or you can say tube light. It will glow as it will on as we will place switch. That is when switch will be pressed, current will pass through it and it will glow. Same it is our LED bulb that we are going to use. So let's see here. Basically our LED bulb look like this. Upside it will have one cap which will protect it from if it falls or from damage or something, this cap will protect it. Downside it will have two leads. These are called as lead. One lead will be bigger and one lead will be smaller. Always bigger lead will be positive and smaller will be negative. The bigger lead is called as anode, which is positive, and smaller lead is called as cathode, which is negative. This is the top view of our LED, and our LED symbol is like this, like triangle, arrow. This one side, left side will be cathode, one side will be anode, and this arrow shows that our LED is glowing. Now let's come on how LED works. What is inside LED? So basically, LED is made up of semiconductor material. Now you will think, what is semiconductor material? Basically, it is one type of material which will be helpful in passing of current. There are different material like conductor, semiconductor, and insulator. Conductor is a material from which electricity can pass easily. Semiconductor is also material from which electricity can pass but a medium level, and insulator is material from which we can't pass electricity. So basically, LED, that is light emitting diode, is made up of semiconductor material. So semiconductor material, two types will be there, P type and N type, as you can see here. At the P side, positive charges will be there, and at the N side, negative charges will be there. So when we will supply current to this, that is when we will connect battery to this LED, that is positive supply to positive side and negative supply to negative side. This As this is opposite charge, we know opposite things get attracted to each other and similar things get repelled from each other. So as these both are opposite thing, it will get attracted to each other and they will collide with each other and they will make one combination. Because of that combination, one type of energy will get released. And that released energy is only our light, which we say as light. That's why LED is called as light emitting diode, as it is emitting light from it. Collision is happening and it is emitting light. As you can see here, plus and minus both are combining with each other. They are colliding with each other and it's emitting light, one type of energy that is called as light emitting diode. Okay. So now you understand what is LED. I will just give you overview of our LED. Basically, LED is called as light emitting diode. It is basically one type of, think of it as one type of magic bulb which will glow when you will pass current through it. Inside of LED, semiconductor is there. It is made up of semiconductor in which P side and N side is there. On P side, positive charge will be there. On side, negative charge will be there. And when we will pass current through it, this positive and negative both will get attracted to each other. Collision will happen between them, and one type of energy will get released from it, which is nothing but our light. That's why it is called as light emitting diode. And this is how our LED looks. In that, two leads will there, bigger lead and smaller lead. Bigger lead is positive, which is called as anode. Smaller lead is negative, which is called as cathode. And this is the symbol for LED. Now let's come on, why do we need LED, or applications of LED. So it have many applications in our day-to-day life. As you can see, if we will see traffic light, in that red, orange, green, that lights are there, that is also one type of LED. Your TV screen, mobile screen, inside that also we are using LED. There are different types of LED according to its application. Then you can take example of your house bulb, tube light. In that also we are using LED. That there are just combination set of it. So like that, it have many application in our day-to-day life. It is one of the important thing in our life because we will need it to for our surrounding to make it light. If LEDs will not be there, we can't make our surrounding brightness. So just we need it, and there are different colors of LED like green, white, orange. Many colors are there according to what material we use. Different semiconductor will produce different color of light. The basic color will be our white color. Okay. Mm. We can use LED in many projects like for we can make projects like blinking of LED. It is used in many medical application for giving emergency warning, for giving safe warning. We use LEDs in our car also. So it is very useful. Thank you. That's it for today.